So I'm going to role play it with you. I've never done teeth, okay? I'm going to role play the teeth, okay? So I got the guy. You got him in his chair, right?
Correct.
He's in the chair, man. You got this issue, that issue, that issue. Okay. How long have you been worried about your teeth?
Wait.
How long? You're the patient.
I'm patient. Okay.
Even though you have good teeth.
All right. Been worried about it for about 15 years.
Yeah. See, why do I want to know that? Dude, I'm using that for the close. Okay. 33 grand divided into 15 years costs $2,700 a year. $200 a month, dude. This will be resolved. You pay nothing going forward. I'm also going to tell him what that job's going to be. Let me just tell you, I'm just thinking based on what I'm seeing right now. Okay, this isn't the first time he's researched this. Would that be fair to say?
Correct.
Okay, this project's going to probably be $33,000 to $40,000. Okay, let me ask you a question. Are you qualified to spend $40,000? I'm early on in the.
Yes, I am.
Yeah, good. And other than yourself, who would be involved in the decision?
It's just my decision.
Okay, good. And when's the last time you spent 40 grand on anything? I'm just curious.
About 2 years ago.
What was it on?
A watch.
And I'm working on them. I'm collecting data. We're doing x-rays. Yeah. Hey, just between me and you, report. How does anybody spend 40 grand on a watch, man?
Just one of those things.
Huh? Why? I mean, how do you make a decision? I've been looking at watches on the Rob Report and over here. I think, how does anybody do that? I've always wanted to ask, how'd you do that?
Just a decision. Just wanted to watch.
Good. Now, do I have data right now?
Yes.
Do the deal or do the probe. I can get you in. I could get you in today, Saturday. I could get you in Monday. I can have you out Monday afternoon. It'll take you about 2 days to heal. I'll be with you the whole time. Project's going to be $37,500. I'm going to put it on Visa, MasterCard, or American Express.
American Express.
I'm using the qualifying to get to the close. I have enough qualifying data right now. Right? Now, if there's some other research I need to do, I don't know, maybe I got to do an MRI on him, or maybe I got to do more x-rays on him, whatever. I'm going to do what I can to close this transaction, ink him, get money, and then go do that. I'd rather give him his money back and find out, oh, I did some blood or this or that or whatever, and give him his money back and close the deal.